Welcome to our Reviews Value Realization series. In this video, we will explore Yotpo's new reviews widgets. My name is Tal, Enterprise Customer Success Manager at Yotpo for the past 4 years, and I will guide you through this video. In today's fast-paced e-commerce landscape, providing a seamless and engaging customer experience is crucial. Introducing Yotpo's new reviews widgets, an advanced upgrade designed to elevate performance, customization, and user engagement to new heights. Let's take a look at the transformation. Here's an example of the old widget. And there's the new design in action as seen on Benila's site. Notice the enhanced design, improved usability, and overall modernized shopper experience. So, why it matters? Our widgets boost core web vitals, load speed, interactivity, and stability for faster pages, better SEO, and improved user experience, driving higher engagement and conversions. The key benefits include faster load speeds with no impact on Lighthouse scores, advanced customization options for colors, fonts, and layouts, enhanced SEO and improved Google Lighthouse scores, ongoing ADA compliance update, enriched review content with variant details, and advanced localization and filtering options. These features create a more intuitive and enjoyable shopping experience, driving high engagement and conversions. Slumber Cloud faced several challenges related to displaying reviews on their site. From navigating reviews perspective, customers had difficulty finding relevant reviews quickly and easily. From customer service standpoint, repetitive inquiries about product details overwhelmed the support team. And from the perspective of an enhanced on-site experience, improving review presentation and site navigation were essential for boosting customer engagement and conversions. The implemented solution included smart filters, adding reviews carousel, and an upgrade to Yotpo's bold layout for a cleaner, more accessible review display. The results? The new reviews widget improved site speed and maintained Google Lighthouse scores, enhancing browsing efficiency. The brand could see 228% increase in average time spent on site, while shoppers can easily access and access multiple reviews, aiding purchase decisions. There was no negative impact on site quality scores. The enhanced review widget setup completed within 30 minutes, ensuring seamless integration. This is what Head of E-commerce and Brand Manager from Slumber Cloud had to say. The new reviews widget load a lot quicker than the old one. Even when you're moving through different product pages, it's a lot faster, so the experience is dramatically better than the old widget. I was incredibly surprised by how quick and easy it was to set up the new widget. I think I got everything set up in less than 30 minutes, and I'm very impressed by how well it worked, says Garza. Katie Mellott, the brand manager, says, the new widget integrates seamlessly with our website, presenting our brand more effectively. From target audience and limitations perspective, Yotpo's new widgets are available for all merchants, especially those on platforms like Shopify, with fully automated migration. To summarize, here's a short recap. Yotpo's new review widget boosts shopper engagement, enhances SEO, and improves conversions with faster, more user-friendly widgets. How? With responsive designs, smart filters, and seamless integration that provide an upgrade review experience, maintaining performance metrics like Google Lighthouse score. And the results? 228% increase in time spent on site, as Slumber Cloud says, faster load times, and effortless setup in under 30 minutes. Yotpo's new widgets are more than just an upgrade, they are a game changer. Enhanced performance, advanced customization, and exclusive features gives your store the competitive edge. Ready to elevate your e-commerce experience? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video in the series.